Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial how to design gaming ads in Photoshop. Start by creating a new canvas and set the dark background deep blue or black to make neon colored props. Add gradient overlays using electric tones like green, magenta and purple. Import your gaming character or console image and place it at the center. Using the pen tool or shape tool to create glowing lines and circuits around the subjects. Apply outer glow and color dodge effect to enhance the neon vibe. Add futuristic hood elements for glitch texture for extra energy. Insert the game title or brand logo using bold techno fonts like Newport. Apply gradient overlays and neon outer glow to the text.